Friends, we are in the fall-winter trading zone, and the market is primed in so many ways for potential virtual trades for you to jump into. The S&P 500, we have a weekly vertical crossover underway and a two-day crossover going down, and the 4-hour chart is in a pullback. It may very well crossover going down sometime this week. You need to pull the trigger and do a practice trade on that. Be sure to use your trade worksheet to track and learn everything you can from it. Next, the QQQ, that's the NASDAQ 100, the cubes, the Qs, however you might call it, tech stocks. They're also primed for a crossover going down, may happen this week. Get ready for that. Now you say, wait a minute, why would I trade when the market's going down? Because you can get into inverse ETFs. When the market's going down, they go up, such as with QQQ, you can go to PSQ. Guess what that is? That's the ProShares short, and it goes in the opposite direction when the market goes down. That is the QQQ. The same with the S&P 500. You've got a short fund SH, ProShares short. And again, it's not double short, triple short, it's just a short fund. So again, it moves in the opposite direction of the market. A little bit of sophistication there, but can help you find trades when the market's going down. So please pay close attention to those things. Now, also, what's up with bonds? Bonds are getting ready to cross back over going down, it looks like. And of course, the weekly and the two-day are in confirmed down moves still. There's a pullback underway. And again, if the market rotates over going down on bonds, you can do an inverse trade in that also. And lastly, gold. What is gold doing? Gold has spiked up, and again, we have a two-day and a weekly crossover going up in gold, but gold has been tracking sideways, maybe getting ready to go down. So if you've been in that practice trade, you should be out by now. And again, if it bounces off the red signal line, you can jump back in. But if it's in a pullback position, let it ride down and then win. And if it crosses over going up, you can jump back into an up trade in gold. This is the best time of year to be practicing. It is the fall-winter trading zone where, again, things don't necessarily go up, but they go. And typically they go in directions that are much easier to track than during that summertime trading zone that we came through a while back. So again, practice with us every day. Follow us. Doesn't cost you a thing but your time and discipline. You need to spend 10 minutes a day with us every day filling out your daily market worksheets, once a week your weekly market worksheet, and every time you do a practice trade, that trade worksheet. It's all about you devoting the time and energy if you want to learn how to do this. God bless, my friends. All the best from the whole team here at Charting Wealth World Headquarters.